gems, welcome to my channel. So this video I'm just doing a basic eyebrow tutorial to get a clean, sharp look as natural as possible. But instead of using my regular pencil, I'm going to be using a colored pencil, which is like a lighter brown to match my hair color. And this video is basically just showing you how to do your eyebrows with a lighter pencil or just a different color pencil to match your hair without actually dyeing your eyebrows. So we're just going to get right into it. I'm just basically using a light brown pencil. I got this from my local beauty supplies, so they got like this security stuff all on it, but it is Kiss. It's a Kiss brand pencil. It has the pencil on one side and then like the little brush on the other side. And I'm using my Pro Concealer. I love this, it's so good. Then I'm having It brush concealer. This is a flat concealer brush. It's, you can use any one. I got that one from It. And then although that pencil has a brush on the side, it doesn't, the bristle's not as hard as my spoolie, so I have to get my spoolie in there, which I'll start off with. So I'm just literally brushing. Let's see, let's get the good angle on that. I'm brushing the front of my eyebrow up. And then the rest is just like up and over, just to get the arch. So with this colored pencil, you're gonna do a lot of filling in. Like I go in, all these little empty, hairless little spots. Yeah, those gotta go. And those gotta get filled in. And I literally just go in, I line my eyebrow. I don't start too at the front because I don't want too much of a box shape. So I kind of go behind the front of it, my eyebrow. And then I'm going and I'm literally just coloring. I'm coloring my eyebrow. Yeah, my hair right now is like a honey blonde color, which is my favorite color. Once I changed it, I can't do black anymore or like a 1B type, like a natural color. Nope. I am all honey blonde all the way. That is my natural color for the rest of my life. I mean, besides when I want to get spicy and I like want to change it to like pink or red or something like that, you know. But for now, my natural hair color is officially honey blonde. So who cares if you know you gotta take these extra steps to make your eyebrows match? I'll be fine. So no, I'm literally just filling in, changing my eyebrow color. Like, it looks crazy now because you see like the little brown in front, but nope, just wait, keep watching. You follow these little simple steps, it's gonna be super simple. Oh, and yeah, like I said, it's a brush at the back, so I'm literally just going back and forth, kind of blending it in, make it look as natural as possible. Coloring, brushing. A little bit over. I'm not pressing as hard down into it right in the front just because I don't want it to be too boxy. But I can go back and brush it and like fade it a little bit. See, the good thing with these lighter colors, they don't have your eyebrows like super dark looking, chalky and crazy. I can just brush away. So now that we're done coloring and filling, I'm literally just gonna take my spoolie and just kind of even this out. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm literally only just going one shade lighter than my skin tone just to keep it as natural. Normally I'll do 2 shades lighter when I have my whole full face, but when I'm doing just my eyebrows for a natural look, then I'll just go 1 shade lighter. I normally could use this to just place on there, but I get a cleaner look when I put it on my concealer, my flat concealer brush, and just kind of line it. I get a better hold on my. I'm not kind of pulling it down, just pulling it down. Getting a crisp line on that, and I'm going downwards. Going down into my eyelid, clean it up a little bit, try to stay as clean as possible with the lines. I press up against this front part. Don't blend, don't wipe, just literally just push down onto it, and it'll kind of blend the concealer in with the crisp line at the bottom of your eyebrow. And then I'm doing the same thing with the top, just following my natural arch. Go here, get a little more on there. I don't like to put too much when I'm just going for the natural look. Like, I will literally go out with sharp eyebrows, and when I'm doing a full face, oh, it's a whole different story. Like, I will over conceal to make sure these are super crisp lines when I have other makeup to cover up that concealer when it's a lighter look. But when I'm just doing a natural eyebrow, oh, I'm just blend, 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 blend. Please blend. You don't want to be out here with ashy eyebrows because your concealer is not all the way blended in. And I'm literally just shaping up my eyebrow with this concealer. No, I'm quarantining, so I have not had my eyebrows done, and I did a little pluck on them, but they look, it's nowhere near the same as having that fresh, you know. Going back in with some more concealer just to clean up that new eyebrow growth. And I'm going to go back in with the brown pencil. But I'm just making sure I got a good blend on this, so I don't be out here looking half dead. So yeah, I go back in with my spoolie, get a little brush, clean it up, follow my natural arch. And then I'm going back in one more time with my pencil just to make sure my real eyebrows blending in with my pencil eyebrow. No, if that makes sense. And I'm literally just coloring in between the lines. And the lines is the new concealer that I put on there. Just going back in to make sure this is a dark enough blend. Nice little brush on it. Oh, that's it. So yeah, I literally went back in and put a little more conceal right in here just to sharpen up the front of my brow. But yeah, so this is my final look. I went ahead in with my other eyebrow, and as you can see, it is the same color as my braids, which is like my natural color now. It's like a honey blonde, but you don't need to see my roots because they real quarantining right now. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. I'm coming back with another video with my eyelashes, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to filming that one because I just got some really cute eyelashes offline that I would love to share. And if you want to see some more, subscribe and like this video, and please comment. Thanks for watching.